Hello everyone, welcome to Just Giji. In this video, I'm going to talk a little about how to grow and care for Anthuriums. Anthuriums can be grown outdoors in tropical climates, but are more often kept as a houseplants or in greenhouses due to their specific care needs. Growth rate is slow or moderate and dependent on ample light, but an easy target for sunburn. They are also called flamingo flowers for their unique bright red, green, and white colors. They can bloom repeatedly for long periods. Blooming varieties are distinctive with heart-shaped waxy patches, a modified leaf around the flower, and different colors of spikes. These colorful heart shapes here is actually not a flower. It's something called the spathe and protect the spadix, which is this prominent tail-like flower spike. Let's talk about the best growing conditions for Anthuriums. Anthuriums prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate medium indirect light. Inadequate light causes poor growth and few flowers. The ideal location for your plant provides 6 hours of bright sunlight daily. Avoid direct sunlight. Water indoor plants about once a week or when the top of the soil is dry to the touch. Keep soil slightly moist and never allow it to dry out completely. Water your plant until it runs from the pot's drainage holes, but do not leave it to sit in water. Anthuriums are vulnerable to root rot. Grown outdoors plants may need water every 2 to 3 days. Consider regular misting with room temperature water because they need high humidity and warmth to thrive. Misting every other day will be ideal, but don't overspray it because water will go to the soil and will end up with excess of water. Anthuriums prefer temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Anthurium will not survive outside in non-tropical zones over winter. If your plant lives outside, bring it in as soon as the temperature drops below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your plant close to a sunny window with high humidity and temperatures that hover around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep them away from drafty areas and open vents. For fertilizing, use professional Anthurium superfood spray mist. I use Gardenera Organic Superfood Spray Mist. This brings you the essential organic superfood in a convenient and easy to use form. For optimal results, apply the mist weekly or during your regular watering routine. Let's talk about potting and repotting Anthurium. If you see the roots pushing out of the soil, it's a sign that the plant needs a bigger pot. So these roots have enough space to spread out and grow. Anthuriums grow similarly to orchids, so potting material needs to be drained well to provide adequate air circulation around the roots. Mosses, 50-50 combination of orchid and houseplant potting medium make a good mix. You can also add sand and houseplant potting mix for a well-draining soil. That's what I use for my Anthuriums. Transfer the plant to a pot that is no more than 2 inches larger than the old one. Pots made of plastic, ceramic, and terracotta are all good choices. Keep in mind that terracotta tends to dry out more quickly than plastic and ceramic. Multiple drainage holes are required for Anthuriums. To repot an Anthurium, fill the new pot with about 1/3 potting mix, then set the plant into the soil and lightly pack additional soil around the base, up to the level the plant was buried in its old pot. To encourage more blooms, give your Anthurium plenty of humidity and feed it weekly with fertilizer. If the plant continues to refuse to bloom, try adjusting the amount of light and check to see if it has become root bound and needs to be repotted. You can also try changing the potting mix. Anthuriums grown indoors in ideal conditions often bloom year-round. Each Anthurium bloom lasts between 2 and 3 months. Pruning is very important when it's come to Anthuriums. Remove older leaves and flowers as they fade and begin to die back. Use a hand pruner to cut them from the main stem. Remove extra tall stems and any that grow at odd angles. Damaged leaves can be partially removed with the bad part cut out. If your plant has just a few leaves, it's better to keep a partial leaf until a new one emerges. Avoid over pruning, always leaving at least 3 to 4 leaves on the plant. Pruning to shape your plant can be done anytime during the year. Cutting back on Anthurium is necessary from time to time to keep the plant happy and healthy. These are few tips for how to grow and care for Anthuriums. In spite of its exotic appearance, Anthurium is surprisingly low maintenance. The name Anthurium is Greek for tail flower. You could see how much color and character my Anthurium brings to my home. I thank you all for watching. I hope this video inspired you to grow Anthuriums or to care for the ones that you already have. Please visit justgiji.com for more information about how to care for Anthuriums, types of Anthurium, Anthuriums pests and diseases, and how to treat them. I have listed all those information on my website. And visit Just Giji YouTube channel for more videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, concerns, and suggestions, please comment on the video and I will answer them as much as I can. Thank you.